Hi, this is the Lion's Head. So, welcome to Baguio City. Ito po yung The Mansion wherein you can learn a lot of things regarding our previous presidents. Maganda din po yung environment dito because there are a lot of trees and pwede po kayong mag-unwind while learning. Yeah, that's it, the mansion. So here is the Philippine Military Academy. Okay, roaming around the academy, you can see also a lot of things. The road is clean at napapaligiran po siya ng mga soldiers in order to maintain the peace and order of the academy. So before po kayo makapasok dito, you have to present IDs, I think, and also your reason in entering the academy. Yan po, pag gusto nyong mag-distress, punta po kayo sa Baguio City.